1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines Preamble. We, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God, in order to build a just and humane society and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspirations, promote the common good, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law and the regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace, do ordain and promulgate this Constitution. Here's a simplified explanation of the preamble to the 1987 Philippine Constitution. In simpler words, this part of the Philippine Constitution explains why it exists. It says that the Filipino people, believing in God, want to create a good and fair society. They want a government that reflects their hopes and dreams. This government should work for the benefit of everyone, protect the country's resources, and ensure that all Filipinos and future generations enjoy freedom, justice, and a peaceful life. Key takeaways. Purpose. The Constitution aims to establish a just and humane society for all Filipinos. Values. It emphasizes values like freedom, justice, equality, and peace. Sovereignty. It recognizes the Filipino people as the source of all power. Goals. The Constitution seeks to promote the common good, conserve the country's resources, and ensure the blessings of independence and democracy. In essence, the preamble outlines the core principles and aspirations that guide the Philippine government and its people. Here are 3 questions a law professor might ask a student about the preamble to the 1987 Philippine Constitution, and some of the best possible answers. Question 1. Professor, what is the significance of the phrase "we, the sovereign Filipino people" in the preamble? Best answer: this phrase emphasizes the principle of popular sovereignty. It means that the power to govern ultimately rests with the Filipino people. The Constitution derives its legitimacy from the consent of the governed. This principle is crucial for a democratic system. Question 2. Professor, how does the preamble connect to the concept of a rule of law? Best answer: the preamble states that the blessings of independence and democracy will be secured under the rule of law. This means that everyone, including government officials, is subject to and bound by the laws of the land. No one is above the law. This ensures fairness, predictability, and limits the arbitrary exercise of power. Question 3. Professor, what are some of the challenges in achieving the ideals outlined in the preamble? Best answer: while the preamble sets lofty goals, achieving them can be challenging. Some of the challenges include inequality. Despite the goal of equality, significant social and economic disparities still exist in the Philippines. Corruption. Corruption undermines the rule of law and hinders the delivery of public services. Internal and external threats. The Philippines faces various threats to its security and stability, such as internal conflicts and external aggression. Environmental degradation. The country faces environmental challenges that threaten the sustainability of its resources and the well-being of its people. Disclaimer: this information is for general knowledge and educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Philippine law narrations.